Okay, we're looking at a Mercedes center steering wheel pad. This is off a 113 chassis, W113. They're also 111s and used on lots of different models. On the Coupes and Castle 111s, often they're white. They're typically a dielectrically heat welded, very thin molded PVC. And they were not typically covered in leather. However, it is a good look to cover it in leather, and we can see the example here. It is, however, extremely difficult to do because of the irregular shape and so on. And it would be absolutely impossible for anyone to try to do this with full thickness leather. So here at Heritage, with our ability to skive leather, and you can see the different samples of just how we can reduce the leather from full thickness down to 0.40 millimeters, or even paper thin like this. Now this comes in at about 0.5, so half a millimeter essentially. And with that thickness, the guys are able to cover this irregular shape and do a beautiful job, as you can see. There is a very small gap in the molding between the plastic and the emblem here, and they have a technique with a tuck-in tool to be able to push that finished edge in there. But as you can see, it turned out beautifully, and I'm sure the customer is going to be very happy.